Hello guys, welcome back. We are live on the channel. Let me know if you can hear my audio properly or not. I'm using new software for streaming, so let's see if it's working fine. And I don't see anybody on the stream, so yeah, maybe let me know if you can hear me or see me properly. I'm trying this new the vertical stream plus also the the horizontal stream, because this is a new feature from Google which seems to be working fine. But let's see new feature from Google. Okay, I think audio is fine, video is fine. Just let me check if we are live from the proper channel or not, and then once we have some people, we will gonna start the live stream for today. This is our regular Wednesday live stream. We have not done this from like quite some time. So yes, I hope you all had new year, very good new year, and now we are free. We can start doing a regular Wednesday live streams. Okay, let me know once you are here. Some of you guys, regular viewers of the channel, let me send the message into the our WhatsApp group. Okay, yeah, okay, looks like we are live here. Okay, let me send a message to the WhatsApp group so that people can know that we are live and then they can join. Okay, if you're already here, let me know who you are, where you're from, watching this live stream. This stream gonna be about SEO, about web development, about digital marketing, about Google Search Console errors, about blogging. If you have any questions regarding all these topics, let me know. And also, if you want general advice to create apps or websites from AI like Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, or any kind of AI tool, you could ask me. Also, you could ask me anything about how to use this kind of AI tools also. Okay, just give a moment. We are live. Now on YouTube. Okay, so I sent the message in the WhatsApp group. Let me share also the links. So, okay, copy post. If somebody regular subscribe from the channel is here, let me know who you are, where you're watching the stream. We have this weird. Okay, let me just add one small thing. This really weird picture. Okay, but also I'm testing this new feature. Satish, Hindi hai hum. Nice. Satish, this channel is not a Hindi channel. Sorry about it. This is an English channel. We talk about digital marketing and SEO, all these topics. So yeah, sorry, you are on the wrong live stream. If you want to learn all these things, it's very recommended that learn English language. That's very important. I try to speak as easy as possible. I will try to speak slowly, but yeah, this stream gonna be in English. I have another channel where I create important videos which I think that really important to be created in Hindi language. So I create some videos there, but yes, mostly this channel is all about giving digital marketing and IT knowledge, which is I think the recommended language if you want to grow in this field is in English language. But yes, if you want to watch some of the videos, they could be converted or translated directly via Google AI or YouTube AI. YouTube AI in different languages. So no matter which language from wherever you're watching, you could convert most of the recent videos into any language. This is the YouTube AI feature is available for most of the recent videos. I think from last 50 videos or 60 videos. I'm not sure if YouTube is going. No, I won't make for you in Hindi. Yeah, I'm sorry about it, Satish. I don't work like how you tell me how to work. I think about most of the audience who are associated with the channel. So yeah, sorry about it, dear. Yeah, I don't want to create this content only focus for one language or one regional people. I think I'm gonna keep creating the content for in English for most of the audience. Of course, if there's something important, very important, I will definitely try to create in different languages as much as I can. I speak multiple languages, so if I get time. But yes, because I have the normal work too, so yeah, sometimes really hard to create a lot of content. So yeah, but I welcome you to go and you can watch any of the videos, the recent videos. They are all available in different languages. You could watch in your preferred language. Okay, who else is here? 5 people are online, guys. What's up? Where you from? No regular. There's something is not working properly. Am I missing something? Oh, wow, a lot of control on the stream now here. Okay, Kumar, what do you think? Using emoji in title and description, you could use one if it's supporting, like if there's a vibe, you could use emoji in title description. Not a big fan, but yes, you could use sometime. I use sometime, like for example, if I create a YouTube video and it's about like analytics or Search Console, I can use the graph emoji. Or if it is a video about traffic, and I can also use the traffic, like or same the graph emoji. Sometimes it could be used, but do not use too much. And also depends on your audience, how they who they are and what kind of age group you're targeting. A lot of things depend, but feel free to use it. Just try different things. Sorry Satish, if you don't understand my reply, I'm sorry about it. I'm okay, just for you. Yeah, it's gonna be complicated. Yeah, sorry about it, dear. Okay, so if you have any other question regarding digital marketing, SEO, blogging, Search Console, WordPress, website building, you could ask me. Okay, and also I want to tell you, I created this recent video. Let me see if I can do this. If I can share my screen. Okay, yes, I think I can share my screen. If you just go to the channel and then you go to the last video, you could watch this video. Okay, let me see, 1 minute. So yeah, this is the video. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the video about how to create website using AI. Wait, let me put it properly. Yeah, so this is a video I created, how to use websites using AI. If you want to watch, you can watch this video. I use Skywork AI. Is a free tool, free for subscription. Like you can get a lot of points. I'm sure if you want to use full, there's a limit for it. If you want to create more stuff, you cross the limit, you could also buy credits. But yes, it's a really nice video. I highly recommend you to watch this video. Okay, I think we are trying both today with the desktop and laptop. So I'm gonna go back to the default view because yeah, I'm trying this feature because where you can stream on both mobile devices and desktop devices at the same time. So yeah, but it's not very well. I think there is still issue with the positioning of the things. So yeah, it could be something. I tried using emoji. Click through is very much improved. Oh, nice! If it's improved, it's a good thing. Why not? Sometimes it could be improved. If they're related to topic, I'm sure it would help. Try different things. There's no fix. I think script for getting improving CTR. If you try new things, they're working for you. Why not go for it? How could I optimize Angular based website? But focus on the images. I think images would be the first thing you should be optimizing. And yeah, images, they are really, how to say, very heavy part of the page. And if you could optimize those things, then that will be a big win for your website speed. And also same time, like especially if you're not using CMS, you don't have a lot of plugins available, but yes, still you can manually defer the loading of the scripts, of the elements. If they're not required, load them in the footer, load them after the page loads, the main page loads. And also focus on FCP and LCP. They're really important. For example, reserve the space for the FCP and LCP, so you don't have a big layout shift also, which will gonna help you in CLS. CLS is a big issue with a lot of website. Even when sometimes you could manage FCP, LCP, but CLS is a big thing, especially when you use the optimization plugins or use optimization scripts. CLS might be affected. So yes, overall we have to create balance about it, and every website is different. I cannot really say for which website you are saying, but yes, later if we will do video audits in this, if we will do site audits in this video, in this live stream today, we might check your website and I might give you more suggestions. So yeah. Any videos on guest posts? Ravi, yes, welcome back, Ravi. No videos. I'm in the process of launching few videos, so the videos gonna be coming very soon. Maybe it's like 3 or 4 part series. So we're gonna talk about creating backlinks. So first gonna be like free backlinks using the free platforms like free social media, free directories, free forums. Second gonna be guest posting. One of the part gonna be guest posting. Third part gonna be paid links where you can buy backlinks. Also where to buy backlinks. All those things gonna be there. And the other techniques, it's going to be small series. Yeah, just the start of the year. It was really busy time. So yeah, but we are coming back. As you can see, Ravi, we have not created so many videos during this period. The videos are not coming very frequently, but yes, now I think I'm a little bit relaxed now, so more video could come, and we might have like couple of people who gonna help me for the channel editing and thumbnails. So yeah, that's might be possible that we can have more videos coming on the channel. So yeah, how are you doing? How is everything going on? There's really if I guys show you, we have this feature. I don't know how I can show you. I received a message from someone. Okay, so yeah, right now we don't have any video about guest posting, but yes, the video gonna come very soon. Okay, what else guys, how is it going? Did you guys see any changes with the Google algorithm update? Because they also launched, let me check if this already rolled out or not. Google core update, it was planned to be finished. I think it should be finished by now. I think it was in December, late December, mid December, was it, or when was it? December core update. Okay, so I think it should be already rolled out by now. And yeah, so if you lost like few rankings, it's totally fine. That happens all the time. And okay, December 11th, 9:25 a.m. the core updates start rolling out, and when it finish, okay, I think it should be finished now. I cannot find the proper page of Google core update. Why I can find it? Yeah, it should be fine until now. So if you guys see big difference on your website, let me know. Sometime it could happen naturally also, organically, that your website could lose like couple of points, like couple of rankings, like it was scoring like 3 or 4, now it's scoring 6 or 7, or maybe like 5, or it could happen like on opposite way also. Your website was scoring like 6 or 7, now it's scoring on the first or second position. So that's also an important thing to consider when you are talking about the Google core updates, because not always bad. You have to think about both the points. Yes, they are also cracking down hard on AI generated content. I see this there's a lot of people that are talking about these things. They left creating website because AI is there, and when they say the AI is there, I'm like, what do you mean AI is there? It means you're creating content from AI, and now everybody is creating content from AI. So Google is now rolling out updates to catch the content created by AI. So that's why even your content is got banned. Your content also got like delisted, or it got like de-indexed. So yes, so it's for everyone. Not for you particularly. So yes, now we can see, because I was talking about this for many years now. People are telling me, no, Google allow AI generated content, it should be helpful, blah blah blah, all those things. But actually no. I talked in so many videos. I'm sure all the guys who are associated to the channel from long time, you guys know what do I mean. So yeah, Born Pixel, hey Born Pixel, Akash Mehti, how are you? Venkatesh YouTube. Wait, let me just open this on another Okay. Venkatesh, how to revamp my blog for high traffic? Wow. Write good content, have the proper categories, create the authority in your niche, write relevant content. That's the general advice, and that's all you can. There's nothing much you can do about this thing except making good content and create a strategy about it. Focus on the analysis of your rankings. Use Search Console. Use another analytics tool if you could use. Improve the session time. Improve the CTR. That's the general things. Then there's no magic trick around this topic. It comes with experience. Pallav Majumdas, good evening, Sirji. I'm back after a small vacation from Coimbatore. Welcome back, Pallav. How are you doing? We created a video for you. Did you watch it? This video, it was a few days ago. There was videos launched, Pallav, for you, especially to help you finish with your website. So I hope you watched that video. And how's your vacation? Let me know. 6 people online, guys. How was the new year? Hope you're having a good new year. If somebody want to share their new year resolution, you could share. How to, okay, Pallav. Yeah, today only was the video. Nice. So maybe your website should be ready by tomorrow. How to revamp already published page? Revamp is very easy. Just go to the page, add more information. What changed? For example, you write. Also, it depends on what is the topic of. It's very general advice. For example, this is a, you had a blog post about what the best gaming laptop for, like, you know, for give Windows gaming laptop or whatever you can say, or maybe with the gaming iPad or something. Just go update the data as per the new trends. What happened in 2026? Just update the data. Add a new point of view, add a new metrics there, maybe add a new image. That's how you revamp the old post, and add quality constantly. If you think there is some information which is not relevant anymore, remove that information. So yeah, that's depending again what you're writing is. You have to be looking at your own content. Saji, are you having fever? No, I'm not having fever, but yeah, a little bit, yeah, too much work, so a little bit tired. And we haven't not done this live stream from like few days, so I was like, okay, let's do this live stream, and then yeah, so it might be looking, but yeah, glow is missing. Yeah, yeah. How to get a modern wireframe with the help of AI to get a prototype for a client? How to get help? But you can use the lot of tools nowadays available which are integrated with AI. You can use Nano Banana, give it instructions. And then also there's so many tools you can use, like if you're using Gemini, you can use Google AI Studio to create wireframes. Even sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. Right now the AI is there for you. If you can use free version of AI, they are limited version, but you can use the paid versions. If I think depending where do you live, Venkatesh seems like, no, who asked this question? True Gesture. I don't know where from, but in a lot of countries it's free for few months. So you can use the premium version of all these AIs to create multiple wireframes. So try that. Even if it's paid, if it's you are working with this field, you create wireframe professionally, then you should be you should be getting a lot of help with the paid version of AI. What I suggest you go for Gemini, because a lot of people they use ChatGPT, but trust me, ChatGPT is nowhere close to Gemini, and yeah, especially with the paid versions, it's really totally different game. Manu Mama, happy new year, happy new year, Manu dear. How are you doing? Manu is my very old friend from my college. We studied together. We did our engineering together. He's working in USA as a director of what? What do you work? My director of technology in Microsoft or something. Yeah. So if somebody want advice, you could ask Manu questions here in the chat about tech. He's very experienced. Yeah. Yeah, watch the latest video. How to import the design to WordPress? Why you need to import the design to WordPress? You can create a theme. You can create, you can create a. I think for you the problem was to have content. How much you should decide, how much you should charge for your SEO service. That was the issue with you, but I think that should be, with that video you could have the dummy content for like package, how much package you should ask for SEO services and different stuff. I'm working live, watching the live together, lol. Nice. What are you working on, Akash? What's the latest video? Nice. Also, I add the link to the latest video. I think if people could watch that video, it could be very beneficial, especially for like, if you don't want to create if you want to create a portfolio page, if you want to create a, like a dummy website, not a dummy, like real website, but you don't want lot of capabilities, you don't want to add a lot of things. I think this video is perfect for you guys. I use Skywork AI in this video and we talk about a lot of things. Okay, let me add this one. Create websites using AI. And also, I tried something new in this video. I don't create this kind of video. So for example, this video I also added a section where I explain you how you can sell this website. For example, you could go to Upwork or Fiverr, different kind of freelancing website, and there you can approach the clients. I include the email also in this video. I pinned this video on the chat. You can see the pinned comment there, so you will go to this video and I explain, if you want you can also sell to local areas, because sometimes people ask, like, we have some regular people who are coming to me WhatsApp and stuff that you are facing a little bit issues with money. So I'm sure definitely you could make a little bit money using this tutorial. So make sure you watch this video which I pinned in the chat. Manu said, as of today, ChatGPT ideas are slightly more creative for website image generation. Nano Banana from Google generates simple images. Nice, thank you, Manu. Okay, I will give it a look. I have not used ChatGPT from quite some time. I think I think since I started using Gemini Pro version, I stopped using ChatGPT or any other AI tool. Sometimes I use ChatGPT. For example, if I want a very quick answer and just to separate my history and algorithm. So what I do, for example, for all important things, I use Gemini, and then when I have to ask some basic question or something like that, then I use ChatGPT. So I just go to ChatGPT to ask the basic questions, but for most of the important things I use Gemini. So yeah, this is how I keep them different. But I will give it a try to ask more complex things. Grok I stopped using too much. I think it was really fun at some point, but now it's just only for X. When you're using X, you use Grok, but I'm not using standalone anymore Grok. DeepSeek I use. DeepSeek is really good for research. I don't know why until now also. DeepSeek does very good research. Sometimes it gives you data which is, you cannot even access it. For example, like I was asking for this data and it's almost illegal. Like they give personal data of a lot of things which should not be there. But yes, for example, if a website got screenshot of a lot of personal information, but they are open to access and DeepSeek got hold of it, it will show you. So yes, it's use DeepSeek very carefully. But yes, I found it's really good for research and all those things. I'm working on a website where I work part-time remote. They give me a lot of things to change. Nice. Good luck, Akash. No, my website is full done. I want to create attractive homepage. The watch Sky video, but don't know how to import design WordPress Bricks Builder. But why you import? Just like take inspiration from there and then create yourself. You have Bricks Builder, so it's easy to with Bricks Builder drag and drop. You take the inspiration from there. Except homepage all done. Okay. I suggest everyone to use AI CLI tool like Kiro CLI, Claude Code, Gemini CLI, and Codex. Yeah. That's really cool. Thank you so much, Manu. Yeah, maybe we should create a video. Maybe we should create a podcast. I was talking to Manu last time, like a few days ago, that we should be making a podcast, because I never been to USA, but Manu lives here, and he has a lot of idea about the current advanced tech happening there. And for me, I'm like not part of this. I've run my own business, but I'm totally different part of the spectrum. He's more into those things. Maybe we could do like a podcast or a live session together where we can guide some people, but of course when you're available. Dev CHFHYD. Hi sir, good evening. How are you? Good. I'm good. How are you doing? Keep using all, get free tokens for everyone. Yeah, right. But true. AI Studio is also a good one. You have everything there. Oh, I see. It used to create wireframe design, not actual website. You can also generate images from AI first, then give to CLI to generate full website, pointing it to generate. Yeah, yeah. That's a really cool option. You know what? That's you are really right about this, Manu. So what I realized. So what you can do is super easy. You can go to a premium website or premium theme or somewhere and just take screenshot of it. There are a lot of tools available. They can take full page screenshot. For example, you don't need to combine the screenshot. They take the full long screenshot of that website and give it to like to Nano Banana. Ask them to create a based on that design, create a similar website for you, and then you can use CLI to generate full website by yeah, or maybe you can just directly give it. DevRules, I subscribe in both channels, sir. Ah, yeah, okay. DevRules is you. Yeah. How many accounts do you have? I want to remember 10 blogs. These are published 6 months. You mean 10 blog posts or 10 blog websites? 10 blog posts is nothing. Just, I don't know. I think it's going to take you like 30 minutes or 1 hour to revamp them. How can I help you, dear? Just please help me. How can I help you? I cannot change it for you, but you have to do yourself. I tell you, like, add more new information. You don't what happened in last year, or what information you have more about this topic right now, or all those kind of things you can add yourself. I cannot. I can give you ideas, but I cannot work for you on your website. So yeah, if you have a particular question, ask the particular question, then I can try to give you an answer. Wait, can we invite people on the stream? No. How can we do that? Yeah, YouTube is changing all the time. Wait, sometimes I'm like afraid to click a button. They just okay, quality, we can improve the quality. No, 720px is the maximum quality we can have. Even the native, I think I'm streaming from my streaming software to YouTube, and still I could have maximum 720 pixel quality. Yeah, this is really, yeah, we are 2025 and AI gonna take over and we cannot properly stream. Even the internet connection is really good. True, true. Which, and what happened to Perplexity? Is it gone? Is still working or it's gone? Bloom 4. I get above average impression. I want to improve outbound clicks. You mean, okay, for the affiliates links and everything, but create them more attractive. I don't know, put them, give them a color which pop out if you want to get more CTR on your outbound clicks. I think that will be a purpose. You are selling affiliate products or something. Yeah, do that. There are a lot of things you can do. You can ask, like any AI tool about all these things. These super basic things. Maybe you make the button like with a gradient or something, make it stand out from rest of the content, and that could be a real nice, or maybe you can give it like animation or something. Yeah, okay, yeah, I got it. The affiliate links. Also, like what is the how say what do you write on those buttons? That's also very important. If it also depends on a lot of on the product. Some product they convert very well. Some product they don't convert very well. For example, if you talk about hosting, the hosting converts very well. Other hosting they don't convert as good. Bluehost used to converting very good earlier, but now it's not the case. But yes, now Hostinger converts very well. So yes, if you put the Hostinger links on your website, just design them a little bit, or maybe use a advanced button. There are plugins available for this also if you're using WordPress, or you can create a simple, like CSS code to add some colors or some design to these basic buttons, and that could be a nice thing. And also, like, if their links are really useful or not. For example, if you are offering somebody like your exclusive deal with those affiliate platforms, you could have better outbound CTR. For example, like if a product is being sold $50 on their website and you have special discount for your blog readers or for your YouTube channel or anything, and you have like 5%, 10% extra discount, I think they convert really well. So it also depends on the things you are selling or on the products also, and what you're offering with them. Also put them visibly, like don't wait to put them inside the content. Like you can always definitely, you know, create a section on the top. For example, this is a video or this is a blog about like let's say software, it says SaaS software, so put on the top like get a special access or extra discount for this software, and then put on the top before the even your post start. Like, but don't oversell it, don't put like too much thing. First thing should be the direct content, but yes, if you have this possibility, why not go for it? Or put on the sidebar, for example, keep your content proper on the, you know, like direct, which for which customer or visitor came to your website, and put on the sidebar this affiliate links. Sanu brother 2883, sir, really earn free Blogspot website without domain purchase and hosting? But forget about it. You can never make money. You make $1 every month, but don't waste your time. You know what, Sanu brother, what you're asking? You're asking like you want to go to bike race with your bicycle. It's very complicated. Blogger is very old platform. Like don't waste your time there. Nowadays hosting is so cheap. I think you can buy hosting for like, I don't know, maybe $1 a month, maybe sometime even less. Buy hosting, invest in hosting, and then the money you make from there, then you can reinvest back to business. But yeah, if you just if you stay with Blogspot and hoping you will make money, it's very complicated. Nobody professional work with Blogspot nowadays. You might have traffic, but yes, again the conversion, making money from that will be very low. And even for example, if you buy a even buying without domain name is very complicated. It's not 2005 or 2010. 2025, some things are very important. Like for example, you tell me, okay, I want to make a lot of money without putting any efforts or without any skills. This is not possible. Same way, like Blogger is not the best platform these days. It's a very old and outdated platform. It won't work very well. The error is breadcrumb list. What is the error? Are you talking about schema or what? Yeah, but also like it's for small simple things. Just always you can use Chat GPT or something to ask the question, or Gemini. I think Chat GPT is very popular name. That's why even I don't use it, but some nowadays. But still, whenever I talk about AI, this name comes first in my head. So some is selling Hostinger Cloud 1 year plan for 3,999 only. This OTTS AI tools also. What is this OTTS AI tool? Hostinger Cloud 1 year plan for 3,999. How it's possible? Not only this, OTTS AI tools. How is possible? Blogger, Blogspot is rubbish, no plugin. Yeah, that's true. Not just plugins, there are a lot of limitation of this platform. It's not worth it. That's why I'm telling. How they can sell? Wait, let me check. Hostinger. No, Hostinger is. But it's when you buy for like, you know, when you buy for 3 years, then it's cheaper. But if you buy for like 1 year or 1 month, it's all very expensive. I purchased what AI tools you bought from them? What AI tools you bought from them? So the minimum is like if you go for 12 months, it's going to cost you $4 per month, and then AI agent for WordPress. Okay, yeah, there are a lot of things. It could maybe it's possible. You know, there's a lot of people. What they could do, they can bulk buy from the company, and then they get distributed for much lower price. For example, I was also thinking about this. If I can provide some, you know, like plugins for, I buy in bulk and then we can provide to people from on the channel for like much lower price. For example, I think if you buy a SEO plugin, it costs like I don't know, like $10 a month. But if you for one or two, three website, like $10 per month. So it's for a year it's gonna be 120. But if you buy for like I don't know, $100 a month you could provide to a lot of people at the same time. So that's a way how you can reduce the cost of all these tools, and maybe the same case with this where you bought the things. It's possible, yeah, it's very much possible. Why articles ranking well are detected as 100% AI? But I don't think so. Maybe they are ranked for now, but they might be de-indexed very soon. And also depend on the website. Also, sometimes you get this levi. So my website is really good website, and then you can get away sometime with it, but not all the time. And with the time, we have seen a lot of website. I shown a lot of website in past streams and also in my videos. Their traffic was millions and then disappear overnight because they're using a lot of AI generated content. So yeah, beware of that. Don't take it. Don't waste your time. Maybe in future your website get de-indexed completely. Have seen many. Maybe maybe you have seen. I have not seen a consistent website which is long term survive with just only AI generated content. I never seen it. Even there's some site they might be ranking for like small time, but later they all got de-indexed. So yeah, this is also you need to keep in mind. Like, don't follow the bad examples. They are too risky. Type Dream versus is better than Blogger. What is Type Dream? I don't even know what is Type Dream. There's a new thing happening, guys. I don't know why my videos, some of my videos, they got a lot of comments, like fake comments. So they say, okay, I really like this video, and then after a few comments, there's a guy, he will suggest a product, and then he has 15 likes on his comments. So they are like bulk commenting on the videos on YouTube to promote the products. I hope this is not this case here. Sir, can you share me that name? What name? Bruce Lee Daily 01. Nice name. Hi bro, I used to see your video in 2021. That time I made a blog but did not succeed. Okay, sorry about it. Hi Weber, welcome back. Mr. VIB, that's right, it's a new channel. Guys, did you put some content, Weber, on your channel? Bro, how to speak English like you? Just practice. I think my English is not perfect English. I make a lot of mistake in English. But just if you could practice with friends, with family, with your online, watch English content, English movies and stuff. So yeah, it's just matter of practice and confidence. It's not that hard to learn English, especially for I don't know where are you from, but if you're from like a South Asia, I think we can speak very good English, because a lot of our words we use like every day in English, and also that's our official language, second official language. Then also it becomes really easy for us, comes natural to us. For example, if people who speak who are French, Spanish, they that's their primary language. So for them it's much harder to learn English than for us. I think for us it's much easier to learn English. Just practice every day. Use a free application like Duolingo, or I don't know, there are a lot of website available, lot of application available to learn English. And yeah, it's just all about practice and confidence. My English is not perfect English, but yeah, just keep practicing daily. Watch content in English, watch English YouTubers who are speaking English, read magazines, books, novels. Yeah, that's I would recommend you. The one which you bought plugins. When on kid age, then made it. Okay, Babu. I thought you start doing a YouTube channel. Maybe why not do it? Blogging is the most difficult job. First year, zero earning. Yeah, true. It could be like that. First year, second year, third. I know people, they make like, they're 3 or 4 years in blogging, they make barely any money. They are like, struggling. Even the people who are telling you, there's this guy, so I was watching like 2 days ago his video. He's an Indian YouTuber. So he was explaining how much money he make in 2025, and then he say blogging. He say he make no money with blogging because of AI. His blog is not working. So basically, what he want to say, he was using AI to promote his blogs and making a little bit of money, and then because now Google algorithm update came, so he cannot make any more blog because he don't know any skills around this topic. So that's why he make no money from it. Yeah, even he was sending a lot of people to his website and stuff. Yeah, so there are a lot of scammer in this industry. So please make sure who you follow, And learn, focus on skills. That's the another reason behind we have this channel, that so that you can learn core skills. You just don't like rely on, you know, like get quick rich schemes, because they don't really work. And you have to put the efforts. No matter whatever you're doing, you have to put the efforts, and then with few months or years experience, then you will see the results. But if you just think like, you know, sometime there's a guy came to the video, he said, okay, I created a video about m is equal to 1 blogger. If you go to my channel, you find it, and I explain how m is equal to 1 is not a problem, because your original URL is indexed on Google, and m is equal to 1 is a mobile version of the same URL. So for example, when somebody open your website or blog URL, if it's made on Blogger on mobile device, your URL is indexed. For example, let's say example.com/blog1, it indexed on Google. When somebody opens it on mobile device, it redirect to example.com/blog1/m is equal to 1, which says this is a mobile version of the same page. And Google Search Console says, oh, we already have this, the original page index URL, because they're two different URL. One is m is equal to 1, one is without m is equal to 1. So Google says, when we already have the main URL index, why we need to index one more URL? So Google don't index it. And this is totally fair. This is not bad thing. This is a nice thing. So I explained in 2 or 3 videos. People don't get this thing. They say, okay, no, our page is not being indexed because this. No, your URL is already indexed, m is equal to 1. You cannot change it. It's a server side thing. What people does it, what they do, they add a JavaScript code to remove the m is equal to 1 from URL. So what you are doing is loading m is equal to 1, but later when the page loads, what do? You remove m is equal to 1 by JavaScript. So that's something. For example, you have wound on your hand and then you put a bandage on it. It does not work because you're not healing the wound. You are just hiding it from the bandage. So those things don't work. And people who are always criticizing me on that video, clearly they have no idea about technology and IT, all those things. So yeah, so I really recommend you to focus on learning core skills. That's the only thing will help you. Otherwise, it's very impossible for you to make money or make career in this tech field, IT field. English is not that hard if you can understand it. If you already have the knowledge, you just need confidence to speak this. Yeah, you're right. I totally agree with you. But come on, if you're from like Southeast Asia, from India or Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, that part of the world, we speak, it was a former English colony. So we use so many English words in our native language even, and we have English everywhere. We see English written everywhere. Even our influencer talks in English. So for us, it's really, really easy to learn English language. Other countries, I could understand it could be hard. For example, if you're somebody from China, from Russia, and from South America, your dominant language is the native language. And I think, for example, if you take case of India, we have multiple languages. There's no one single language we have across the country. So we have to learn English language. Don't have option. You want it, you don't want it. If you communicate with somebody else from other state, you have to learn English. That's the only way. And that's a good point also. And I think that's a big reason also why we have good IT service providers in India, because our English is decent. Maybe not very good, but we have decent English and we could learn easily. So I agree with you on this. I used to see all your videos 2021, bro. Can you tell me how hard work you did? It will motivate me. Bruce Lee Daily, your channel name is Bruce Lee Daily. Why need motivation from me? Of course, I did hard work in my life for many years, but yeah, you have to know hard work. Just to, I don't know, you can ask Manu maybe. Manu is also a good example. He know we studied together. We know each other from like 20 years now, maybe more, 21 years we know each other, 22 years. Manu on the chat you can know. What do you do actually, Manu? Like, what is your profile? Which company you are right now? Yeah, but he's in USA, I'm in France. So yes, hard work is very, very important. Without hard work, success is, don't rely on the luck. It might happen for one person in 1 million, might happen. But yes, hard work is almost short, you know, like way to success. So yes, just cut the noise from your life and then work towards your goal. And once you start seeing results, So one important thing here, for example, in my life, for example, if I start something new, it's not just about career, even about from career about anything else. If you are doing something regularly, you will get good at it. 100% you'll get good at it. And once you start seeing the results, you will be much more interested doing the stuff without, you know, like feeling bored or without forcing yourself to do this stuff. So yes, depending what do you do and for what you need motivation, I can, you know, yeah, that's I want to say about this. And all depends on you. Have good circle, keep stay with join groups with like-minded people, keep focusing on your progress and track progress also. That's really important. Tracking progress is a really nice way to motivate yourself and to advance your learnings and progress. Now using modded YTT app, so I'm logging. Okay, nice. Blogging is a pain in the ass. Too much of game of patience. Yeah, no, it's not pain. It's just like people don't know. They don't have skills. What people does, they copy paste content from ChatGPT and they think they are a blogger. It doesn't not work like this. And with that way, it will always be pain in the, yeah. But if you know the skills, if you know how to do it, if you know, just even you can read basic, you know, like content, like not basic content, but you create like a decent blog. I think it's worthwhile. But you need to know the how to do it. Just don't rely on, like, you know, like on AI generated content. Arun P5482. I used to write affiliate blogs in last year. I did made some sales, but now still ranks in first page, but did not get any sales. I could figure it out, so I need to write sales converting blogs. Of course, you need to create, depending on how much traffic you're getting on a blog. And also, yes, this is important. It's a little bit complicated. I won't say that even you get traffic on your blogs, you can convert them easily. Like we already answered this point in the starting of this stream, that you need to take some actions, make it more attractive, your links, make them more visible. Don't wait for the end, put them on sidebar. Whenever somebody comes, they see it prominently, this link, all those things. That's a really important thing. Manu, I think persistence and perseverance was common for both of us. Right, true. That's true. We always, like, you know, like hardworking and yeah. That's really important. Like, you have to be like, there's no other way. If you, for example, if you want to make a good career, you want to be well known, that you have to do hard work. For example, nowadays with the new social media trend, it could happen that people might fake it, but you cannot fake it for a very long time. At some point, you have to be like learning stuff. Without that, that's totally not possible. So yeah, I totally agree with you, Manu. Are you working in some agency as well in France? I want to know how it all about performance marketing. Will that be good? Weber, is that you? You already know all this stuff. No, I run my own agency. I don't work in any agency. It's another profile? Or the two? Okay, this is different Weber. Bro, when did you start blogging and when did you earn first payment from blogging? Bruce Lee, stop. If your motivation is coming from blogging, it's gonna be very hard for you. Blogging is a skill. Learn to how to write blog posts. It does not matter how much money I make. You have so many videos on internet that talk about the earning. If your motivation is all coming from earning, I think you are working on the wrong trajectory. There are a lot of videos already exist. If you want to learn something from me, learn how to write a good blog post, learn how to do keyword research, learn how to do create the website, learn how to use a platform, learn how to optimize the titles and description, learn all these things, learn text things. I'm not going to focus on these things like how much money I made or all those things. This is totally useless, and it's not completely useless, but a lot of people are doing this on internet, and I don't want to focus on that part. Hello, good evening, sir. How are you, Weber? Weber, good. How are you doing? My day was good, thank you. So we have another Weber on the chat, and I was thinking it was you because I asked it's a different profile, and yeah, so maybe. So we have two Vaibhav on the chat right now. He is always here and everywhere. He is always here and everywhere. Same other Vaibhav. Yeah, 13 people online, guys. And also, just to let you know, guys, this year now we're gonna create more videos around core concept, because I realize. Yeah, Manu, of course, I can. Do you want I review your website? I don't think I should be reviewing your website. You are already so experienced in this field. But you want to share your website? We can share your website. Why not? Yeah. Before that, I just want to tell you, Manu, send me your website. We can show to the. Yeah, we can show the audience. I won't review your website, but yes. And also, like, I want to tell you, like, this year gonna be more in-depth videos, tutorials. I think we're gonna make. I was thinking about it, like, more creating like step-by-step videos for creating different kind of website for different profession, like portfolio website, like creating like website for school, and all those things. They're gonna be focused for this year. Also, focus gonna be more using AI, so that you can save time. You don't waste your time onto like, like useless things. And I was also thinking to try more tutorials on like custom CMS, for example, like of course, if we have the option to create a custom lightweight CMS, why not we use it instead of using like whole big, like WordPress system. So that's gonna focus for this year too. Also, what else? Yeah, more in-depth video. I think they're gonna be more in-depth video coming this year on the channel. Okay. ManuMishra.com. Okay, let's review your website. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, let me change the mode. So guys, we have the first website today from my dear friend Manu. So you want to audit his website, but I don't think I would audit his website. I can just share you the guys, his profile and experience, everything. So Manu Mishra, solution architect and applied software engineer. Okay, Outlook, LinkedIn, yeah, GitHub, Dallas, Texas, your location. But nice, very nice blog. Looks simple and effective. Did you create from AI using this? What tool did you use? So professional experience, he worked in AWS, Amazon AWS services from 2022. Senior solution architect, provide architectural solution to digital native business, customer generating 100 million in annual recurring revenue. Work closely customer to ensure technology infrastructure align with the business goals. Nice. Design scalable, reliable products. All this in. Before that, you're working as a 2019 Walter Kluwer Tax and Accounting lead product architect. 17 technical analyst, Comtech. 2013 from Microsoft Corporation. Yeah, in my mind, I remember you always still work in Microsoft. I forget that you already changed like few companies after that. So you're technical consultant development lead in Microsoft from 2013 2017. Bank of America 2011 to 13. Yeah, when you used to live in Gurgaon, right? That's you were in Bank of America. Nice. Software Engine, Verizon, Shivam Medisoft. So yeah, so from 2008 to 2026, how many years experience you have? 18, like 18 years of experience you have. Guys, if somebody want to ask question, ask Manu. He is very super experienced person. Yeah. What else? Blog. Oh, your blog also. Okay. I will add the link to Manu's blog if you guys want to follow him. Okay, I'm just going to the stream. You guys can, if you want to follow, you can follow Manu Mishra. He's a dear friend of mine. And yeah. So AWS 2020 2025 reinvented powered by MCP. Google's embedded Gemma on AWS Lambda, curiosity driven experiment. Nice. Guys, if somebody want to follow, you can follow all these things. Manu, you are not just, I want to tell you are not very regular in 2024. What happened here? Just one blog post. Yeah, I know you're a busy guy, so it must be hard for you to create the, but yes, you create a lot of content in 2023. Yeah. Nice. If guys somebody want advice, ask question from Manu. Nice blog, by the way. I have nothing to, how you say. You have to update. You have to update. It's written 15 years experience, but now I think it's old information. You have to update for 18 years now. Sir, can I use HTML widget of Bricks Builder and copy paste into Skywork homepage? Done. Yeah, but true, you can always do that. But again, then it's gonna be like like for SEO and how you update things, that's gonna be a little bit complicated. If you're using the you can create sections. For example, you can create one section, then you can edit different things, and then you can manage the layout of everything. But don't like do completely. Born Pixel, I want to ask something about blogging. My goal is to get more clients from website. What kind of blog should I write? But Akash, we already answered this question. Like, create content around topic you want to get clients from. For example, I remember you do programming or something. So yes, create publish case studies, how you created some project, how you created some technology. Let's create blogs around it, content around it. People who come, who will agree to your story, who would like to work with you, they will contact you. That's the only way you could get clients. For example, this channel, I receive a lot of information about SEO, digital marketing from this channel. Even that's not my main thing, but still I get a lot of clients leads from this YouTube channel. So yeah, do the same thing. Create the content around the topic you are looking the clients for. I mean, he is here also with Amit Tiwari. Am I right, Vaibhav? What is Amit Tiwari? I mean, you're talking about Amit Tiwari, the SEO specialist? No, bro, I have left blogging 5 years ago. Your channel was subscribed, then your video come into home screen, and I remember you. Then I be like to have seen class. Yeah, that's true. Sometimes it happens when you subscribe somebody from many years ago and don't follow them, just because life happened, or you're not interested in that topic. And then you see them again, they are still there. It bring back nostalgia. I have some YouTubers which I used to follow many years ago, and then somehow I forget about them, or maybe I'm not interested in that topic, and then I see them again. I remember the old days, how it used to be. So yeah, I'm happy that you find my channel again. Okay. But bro, I'm saying this is my heart. You are a great teacher. That's why I still subscribe you even I left over. Yeah, thank you so much, dear. But there are a lot of more content now on the channel. I don't know what do you do right now. It's not about blogging. If you do digital marketing, you create website, you use AI. There are a lot of content on the channel. You can still, I'm sure you can find. If you are in totally different field, I understand. It's not for you. But yeah, thank you so much for your kind words. I really appreciate that, dear. What is your real name? Bruce Lee Daily 01. Is there a clear strategy for this? I don't want to spend many hours on blogging, get a client 3-4 months. That feel like a waste of time. That's not a waste of time. That's how it works, dear. You can. This Akash. Come on, you know the channel. It's all about like creating long-term value. If you create hours writing blog posts, it's a valuable blog post that gonna bring you value from coming many years. It's not about like getting one client. Why would I spend hours and hours? There's no other technique. You can always go and for website like Fiverr and Upwork, you can find clients from there. But if you want organic, this is the way to go. You have to put hard work. Like if you're afraid of hard work, then it's gonna be very complicated. Suggest Skywork तहलका चीज़ है. Yeah, that's really good. Actually, it's a very good website. I created like 8 or 10 websites using Skywork. Today we are doing the stream on both like mobile and laptop, so it's the orientation is different. So I don't want to open the desktop too much, but yes, it's really good. Thanks. It's hosted on GitHub. You got it. I will update now. Nice. Thank you, Manu. Manu's experience is more than the age of those kids who are watching the True, but me too. Same for me also. I think me and Manu, we have the same experience. But that's very true. Weber, very well said. Yeah, true. But of course, this is why we have people who are like all looking for shortcuts and everything. But same, me and Manu, we have very similar experience. Maybe he got like 1 year more experience than me. But yeah, we have almost similar experience. He started maybe working like 1 year before me. And me in starting, I don't have like relevant experience for a few months. You know, it was back those days, it was very hard to get. We have no campus placement. We studied from the same college. We have no campus placement from our college. You got it, I think. Manu, did you got it? No. I think you also didn't get it. I got it. And then after my company was in Hyderabad, it's called, I don't know, forget it was Xilinx or something. They wanted to give us 10,000 rupees to to join the company. I was really happy about it, but joining never happened. They delayed the joining. Then I found work in New Delhi, and yeah, so I never joined that company. But true, this is the thing. For example, like Weber, that's why when I say people say, oh, nothing works, this is BS, that is BS, and they never put any efforts. For example, like a lot of people say blogging is this and that. No, but you never did blogging. Copy pasting content from AI is not called blogging, or people you're following what they're doing stuff, that's not called blogging. It's a real skill. People are doing it. What do you think about magazines? Magazines, they're kind of blogs. Magazines are blogs. You have so many big magazine companies. They're publishing a lot of content daily. They have the whole team behind it. They have a whole strategist behind this team. There's even lot of companies which exist in different countries. They're what they are. They're also auto blogs, like auto magazines. They're blogs. For example, tabloids, all those things, newspaper, they're kind of blogs. So if you are saying that, that's a good thing, that's really important. I was talking to about Manu about this thing earlier, like few days ago, that we have to do something about to guide people, to educate people. We are talking about this AI tool created by this scammer, and then we're like, what's happening? People are blindly following everybody these days. You can become content creator and you can share any, any, how you say, any bro knowledge, bro science, and people would trust on it. Yes, however, SI still dominate. Of course, Arun Pace, it's gonna dominate. Of course, it's gonna dominate. How else you find content? Like AI is not getting its own content. It's taking the content data from the existing content. So somebody has to create the content, and then to rank that content. Of course, you're gonna use SEO. I think SEO is still not going anywhere for coming few years. Even Sergi experience also. Yeah, same experience. You could have done blogging from India too, brother. Why did you go to France? Bro, I'm not. Blogging is our side thing. We are not like, we do so many more things in our life. It's not like, it's very complicated. I think you are new to the channel. No, you said you are not in the touch for many years. Yeah, because I like to live here. You have to try different cultures. We have to do different countries. France is a really good country, so why not? If I have opportunity to go to different country, I would go. I would try. I travel a lot. I go to different countries. So yeah, there are a lot of facilities here. We have no pollution. You want to see AQI is I don't know. The AQI life is long here, so why not? If you have the opportunity, you would definitely go to the country. So AQI here gonna be like maximum right now is 25, and then you're gonna be 25, 26. There's the AQI, so why not? There are a lot of things. It's not, life does not revolve around blogging, everything. Even blogging is just a like thing people does it after acquiring a lot of skills. For example, if you're a good writer, then you can create a blog. But people have this weird idea about, what is this fantasy about being a blogger and all those. This is nonsense. Don't fall into that trap. Uncle, no, come on, Manu, it's just experience. So I remember the famous Bihar dowry calculator. Yes, I remember the Bihar dowry. No, but do you remember the African dowry calculator? Bihar dowry calculator was still how you say, this the worst one was the African dowry calculator. Vaibhav Rotela said hi. Welcome Vaibhav to the stream. You're the third Vaibhav today on the stream. We have already two Vaibhavs on the stream. Where are you from? Where are you watching the stream from? Oh guys, yeah. It's fun this stream. We didn't do this stream from last 2-3 weeks, but now I think it's fun. Yeah. And also I got like whole StreamYard got deleted because it was not working with the camera, so I delete everything. No, I am same as VIBS. What's happening today? just for fun, you logged in from different ID. Okay. Delhi people are way above the medical science. We are living in 600 AQI. Yeah, it's very sad. It's very sad. I don't know what could be done here, but yes, this is yeah. Let's not make this political or yeah. Bihar is epitome of how not to make a calculator. Bihar one is calculator website. Yeah, but a lot of people. Even I was watching this guy. He's creating all this. I close the moded work. Okay, nice. भैया हिंदी बोलते हो या भूल गए? तुम्हें हमेशा इंग्लिश बोलते ही देखा है. English, I speak English because you can learn English. I motivate you to speak, also to speak English. You want to make a career, you have to speak English. Of course, if you're doing something else which is not related to English, you can also make your career in different kind of field. That's totally possible. But yes, if you're into IT online field, you should be speaking English. Of course, how can I forget Hindi? Hindi is my native language. I speak multiple languages. And now you will ask me why you speak other language if you could speak Hindi. Why not? It's fun. You can talk to more people in the world. The problem with people who are like the blogger vibe and stuff, they're the people who are really living in a bubble, like small bubble. Start watching the content outside your Hindi language and you will learn so many things. I guarantee you. No matter what is your niche, if you are doing blogging, if you are doing web development, if you are doing social media marketing, you are doing anything, and you are a programmer, you are a developer, you are a designer, start watching content in different languages, especially in English. Is very, very important. If you are consuming content only in your native language, like and it could be any language, you are missing a lot of things. And also the pool of information you are taking, the information is very limited. So I highly recommend everybody, please do it, work on English, and it's the best thing you could do to yourself. Winter plus fog, 600 AQI. Delhi people are built different. It's not that I'm afraid of hard work, but I'm confused about whether this is the right use of my time. I could invest that time, create new client source. No, but you have to ask a question to yourself. It's not about like you're afraid of hard work. You have to ask a question to yourself, what is the long-term benefit of this thing? Only you can consider it. Maybe you don't want to do it. Maybe you can find another strategy. So you have to try by yourself, see the potential, and then you decide by yourself. What works for me might not work for you. You might have different strategy. Everybody has their own different strategies. Everybody is a different human being. So yes, you have to do something about it. Delhi weather sucks really. Yeah, I know. That's why I stopped coming to Diwali. I used to come to India to Diwali. Now I don't come on Diwali. Maybe on Holi I will come. If I do write a blog, I'd rather spend a few hours and share my real experience from the years. Yeah, of course, that's what we say. Do that. Saji, as guitar play ho jaye. Yeah, I was playing guitar earlier. There's no guitar on the back. It's just the cover. Anyway, thanks. I got a clear overview to answer the question I wanted to ask. Nice. 9 people online. Thank you, bro, for the valuable advice for not to watch only content in language. I to explain this, but this is the truth. That's why all this camera, they make 1 million subscribers, because you never know what happens in what's happening in real time. If you're thinking that you're a blogger life, like I'm a blogger, if that's your vibe, you are living in 2010. This is the world is progress way beyond this, and I see these people, they're creating this, they're taking benefit of insecurity of all these people. That's why we don't talk about a lot of time these numbers. I have even my last video I created about how to create a website using AI. I say okay, you can create $10,000 per month, but that wasn't not the whole elixir of that video. This was like most step by step video about this. Even I wanted to put in the title and in the thumbnail that make make money, but after I removed it. So yeah, just be careful about who you follow, and if you're not improving in 2025, you have, if okay, I tell you one thing, if you want to learn, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, Perplexity, all this AI tool for free. You have free access to it, and the best part is you can use those things in your own native language. So when you can use those in your own native language, there is nothing stopping you to learn anything. For example, you can learn English from your own native language. You can ask few questions, okay, teach me English, and then AI will teach you basic things, or maybe a lot of a lot of other fields can also take the same benefit in their own native language, and then you can progress with different language and more widely available content. And now, even for example, like if for you it's a really big problem, you don't speak understand English. Nowadays YouTube has this feature with YouTube AI dubbing. You can convert videos in your own native language. So go to somebody else from different country, and then watch their content and convert in your own language, and then you decide the people who are following on YouTube for many years, or on somewhere else, different social media platform, are they really worth it or not? Because honestly, blogging industry is almost a scam industry. Like people who are always talking about blogging, they are almost like most of them, they are scammers. They are just taking benefit of insecurity, selling you products, selling you affiliate things. That's all what they does. 9 people, 4 like, let me fix it. Yeah, please like the stream, guys. We have to make this stream reach to more people. HR going mad on LinkedIn nowadays. I saw one HR is hiring blackhead SEO manager. Yeah, I remember. Did you send me the post? Who sent me? You sent me the on the WhatsApp. I think Weber, you sent me this, the blackhead required. But the company is also a company which is very fishy company. You're very experienced, brother. I will come to your live stream, learn more value advice, but I am not going to do blogging. My question will not meet your subject. It's okay, bro. I'm annoying. No, it's okay. It's totally fine. But what do you do? What do you do in your life if you're not doing blogging? And this channel is not about blogging. That's not the whole purpose behind this channel. We do a lot of stuff on this channel. Sarji, 2026 is the year for GA4 plus GTM. Yes, the day you will launch your website, Pallav, I will launch the Google Analytics 4 plus GTM video. Why not? Let's see who will do it first. You can join the group WhatsApp. Yeah, you can join the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group already. 99 T9 MSTV Vinny 9. Hi bro, how are you? Still remember me? Remind me your name, dear. Maybe this username I don't remember. But yeah, there's so many people who are associated with the channel for many years now. Yeah, so right now the joke is Pallav is asking me from this video to launch our Google Analytics plus GTM, and I am not able to create this video from long time, and Pallav is not launching in his website. So every time he asks me for this video, I tell him when you're going to launch your website. So we are both putting parking the ball in each other's courts, and denying our launch. I'm not launching this video. Pallav is not launching this his website. But I did create a video telling you how it will help you to launch the website. Maybe you can create a video, how can I create this? Or maybe you can guide me how I can create this video. World will remember that when the Pallav launched his website. Yeah, true. We have a most awaited website of the century. Where I work, they have a SEO guy creating 3-5 blogs per week. Even they got too much traffic. They're getting low client these days. That's why I'm worried about. Bro, do stuff. Don't rely on other people' experience. And build your profile. The SEO guy can never write a good content. Like SEO guy is SEO guy. He's not a tech guy. You are the tech guy. You know the real content. For example, I'm not a YouTuber. Originally a developer programmer. That's why I can create all this content around this technology. It took me some time to learn how to create YouTube videos. If you watch my early videos, they're horrible. They were very bad videos. I could barely speak. I don't know. I still have problems speaking with the camera, but I'm much better now. I'm much more confident how it used to be. Because I'm not a YouTuber, I am a tech guy. That's why the content I create is very high value content. For some people, it might not be high value content who are much more experienced than me. But I think content is good because basically I'm the one who is creating all those things, doing in real life. For example, like everything what I teach on this channel, we are doing this in really, how you say, in corporate websites every day. Like that's my real job. And then on the top, to help people, and it's fun to create YouTube videos, then we have this channel. So yes, if a SEO guy is writing content about giving services, I'm sure you can have much better insight. Maybe you don't know how to write the content, the structure of it, but it's with the time, once you learn it, your content will be unmatchable. You cannot, no SEO guy cannot match the content which you will write. I hope you get the point here. I don't think black hat exists. It only tricks which can fail anytime and your website get the index. Yeah, but true. When continuous invisible on the day it's going to official government holiday. Bro, is blogging was easy in 2016. It was easy. It's still easy if you know doing it. But yeah, don't make this 100% your life about. Why don't you say content writing? Why don't you say, for example, like content writing is super easy these days. Copy pasting, no, that's not a good thing. But for example, you can ask help of, for example, you want to create a blog post, you could ask ChatGPT, give you pointers, give you the how to the high level information about these things. You can tell ChatGPT or Gemini to write main points. You could do research with it. For example, before, what used to be, if you have to do research on a topic, you open 20 websites and everybody has different information and you don't know which is good information, which is bad information. With help of AI, with the Gemini, ChatGPT or Claude, any AI tool, you have all the information organized for you. So you don't have to spend so much time understanding information and then making your own take on that information. So it's much more easier now. But the problem is people, they are how say, they are brainwashed thinking that writing content is all about using copy pasting it. Of course, if you are writing content for a website, for example, you're creating a contact page, what do you have to write there, or you're writing services, you can always take help of the AI generated content. That's fine. But for organic reach, to create the content, it's always best to use your own, your own. Don't copy paste it. So I have serious question. If someone created 1000 spammy backlinks for my website, how can I tackle it? There is the option to disavow the links. Google provides this option. You can go and you can you can break up with those links. Yeah, it's always it's a very valid problem. It does not people understand that this could happen easily, that a competitor can create backlinks from a website which is not good website, spammy website. But yes, नकल अकल लगा के ही कर सकते हैं, right? But that's true. But yes, this is the thing. If you have little bit knowledge, you can even get away with such kind of things. Okay, guys. Any last question? I think it's our first stream for 2026. So let's keep it easy. I don't want to make the 3 hours long stream. We are already 1 hour 20 minutes in this stream. Manu, when you're free to do the a live stream together, I want you to join the live stream. We can both come and answer questions. Why will somebody create a backlink for you? But think about it. For example, if I create a backlink for your website on a scammy website, so your website is linked to this website. So to how say to your competitor could do that easily. But that does not affect so much. You have option to disavow backlinks from coming from spammy website and lot of there are a lot of options. It's not that bad. Like it's not that easy to Okay. So guys, let's take last questions and then I think we finish this stream. And also yes, I didn't say you. Happy New Year, guys! Welcome to the 2026. I hope this year will be very nice year for you. Sure, but you have to teach me first. Smart chap hiding things. Yeah. What do I have to teach you, Manu? You are already a pro. Yeah, but let's plan something. I think it can be useful for a lot of people to get information about all these topics. Let's talk about this. Yeah, late Happy New Year. Okay, guys, let's end the stream on this note. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining the stream. And also welcome to the 2026. I hope this year will be the best year for you guys. Lot of content will come on this channel in this year. I already told you about using AI tools, more in-depth tutorials and digital marketing techniques, SEO content. A lot of things will come. Okay, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Share the channel with your friends, family who think they can learn. If you are studying in school or college, share with your classmates, share with your friends, share with your colleagues. If you're into office, you do these things professionally, share with everybody. Same everyone. It's not cold. It's very cold here. Temperature is cold. Not today is not that cold. Today is like no. From 2 days it's like good temperature around 3-4 degrees. Before it was like -7 degrees. So this is what I want to say. You best wishes for this year. Let's have more live stream on the channel. Let's connect more. Let's grow this community together. Like we already target to have help each other, guys. Please, instead of watching the motivational videos, how much money people are making, watch the videos of learning skills and then you might end up making those money. A lot of videos on the channel. Watch last couple of videos. Last video is very interesting. If anybody is struggling to create the website, I explain the free Skywork AI tool. You can just use the tool to create free AI website. It's totally, I think you can, when you sign up, you get free points and then you can create one website with like 500-600 points, even less than that. You can watch the video, the last video on the channel. And yeah, bro, give me one advice. What do you think every content creator should learn? But focus on more. I think speaking is important. Speak very well. I think I don't speak very well. I speak very fast, so I should be learning how to speak nicely and easily and slowly. So yeah. So that's every content creator should learn. Okay, and also like create useful content. Don't create waste content. Sometimes they create the same content, they copy paste each other. That don't create stupid content. The content should be something useful because you should be proud of. For example, like if I create a content which is helping people, I will be proud of my content. Maybe in 10 years, I don't want to create a content which is like after 10 years I will say, okay, why did I created that? There's also a different point of view about life, how you think about those things. That's a totally different topic for another day. Okay, guys, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, have a good rest of the week. And let's meet you guys maybe on Sunday or maybe on Wednesday. I will request Manu to give me time so we can do a stream together or maybe a podcast together to help you guys to give you more information. I will put maybe some question answers so you guys can send me the question answers. We can discuss about a lot of things on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. See you either on Sunday or next week, Wednesday, 3 p.m. Central European Time. Goodbye. Take care.